Patrick,
Am I in trouble, Uncle Bobby?
Patrick.
Look at him. Look at that. He must smell something on my shoes. You know?
Patrick. Shh. Patrick. Uy.